Hi, welcome to ISE 2019. I would like to show you the new features of our VIAGo. So if you're familiar with VIAGo, this is a product that we launched something like 2 years ago for wireless presentation only. And the new feature is that now it's a clientless solution, meaning that you can use the native VIACast protocol from your Windows computer. So by using the projection key and selecting to connect to a wireless display, then it will look for the displays that are supporting the VIACast protocol. And here I can see the white display, which is how I named my VIA here. And just connecting will send a request and connect me to share my screen. I can activate also the code, security code, so that can allow people only sitting in the room to connect, of course. So this works thanks to a dongle, which is connected to the VIAGo. And the same dongle can be used also on our Connect Pro or Connect Plus device. So the same way that I'm using today AirPlay from any Mac or iPhone, iPad. So I'm selecting also here the white room. And so here the security code is enabled. I will share my screen and I will have a side-by-side presentation completely clientless from one AirPlay device and one VIACast device, supported also on Android devices. Thank you.